Hey guys, so I just got the greenhouse. This might be some bonus content. Right now we're outside constructing it and I unboxed it. The instructions came out a little bit damaged, which is fine. We can just like quick think. I might do a time lapse, but I'm gonna show you the instructions. So this is where I'm planning on setting up the greenhouse, and I guess put all this in there. And this is the instructions. So a little bit of critical thinking. Put this inside. So right now what I'm just doing, I'm just like laying it out on the floor. This is the front and this is the back. And those are some chickens. That's all like a bunch of mess. We're waiting for like the big trash to come over so we can dump all that stuff. And that's my brother's car that he's fixing. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a time lapse and that's pretty much it. Alrighty guys, so this is the final product. It does feel a little bit warm inside, not as warm because it's not that cloudy. I mean, it's not that sunny. It's pretty cloudy outside, but oh, I just gotta finish putting some bricks on the plastic on side so the heat, you know, can stay inside. But now all I gotta do is just add some plants, and I'm not gonna put hanging baskets in here anymore because we saw what happens when I do that. So I need to find another way to put some hanging plants. I'm probably thinking to put like a 4x4 like that on the side and then put another one on top and just use it to like put hanging baskets. We're gonna make this entire backside into a hanging basket section, but I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm running out of breath already. Morning Houseplant friends. So right now I literally just woke up and we're gonna have a cup of coffee. What am I gonna say? I don't really know what to say. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour on the greenhouse. Not like a tour, but like things that I have like propagating and things that I'm just stuff in the greenhouse and how it's doing. It's already been 2 days. It's looking great. And I've noticed that it gets a lot of like light inside because y'all know like when the season changes, the sun changes, and you're gonna see how I'm trying to like treat it. But at the same time, it is like fall and winter sunlight, which is not so harsh. The thing is, I'm pretty sure some of the plants might burn, but I feel like they will harden because I've been surprised. I literally had a spider plant in summer in the backyard, no shade, and it was performing like crazy. It was not getting a spider plant. Plants that people say like it's like a low light plant, you know what I'm saying? Like I was like so shook. So I really am like starting to like believe that some of these plants can tolerate a little bit of direct light, but you need to really harden them. The plants that you buy in the greenhouse and like in big box stores or nurseries, they're not really hardened. So yeah, right now I'm gonna make some coffee because like you know me, I need some caffeine. And what else I'm saying? Oh, I'm also selling a plant right now. A lady's gonna come at $10.50 to buy a pothos that I'm selling because like I'm trying to get my money back from the greenhouse. It was cheap, $179. It's kind of cheap for a greenhouse like that size. It's not a bad price, and it was for 50% off, you know, so like that's a really good deal. And I'm also propagating some other cuttings like Addisonias, the Swiss plants, Cebu Blue, Marantas, more Micans, and prior plants. A lot of other stuff so I can get my money back from the greenhouse. You know, oh my god, I got it when I'm in debt, but I want to make my money back by, you know, making cuttings and all that good jazzy. So as this is running, I'm gonna go to the greenhouse. Well, we're gonna go to the greenhouse and I'm gonna show you guys a quick little tour and the propagation things that I'm doing. Is just stuffy like that. So let's go. Alrighty, so we're at the greenhouse right now and it is really humid because I ended up watering these plants twice yesterday, and that's a little fly. There's some cats outside, but it's looking really good. And look at this monstera deliciosa. I was on the outside before the greenhouse and it got a little bit burned, but other than that, it's looking amazing. It's one of the plants that is blocking a lot of the light. Also the shelf and that money tree. And yes, those are a bunch of snake plants. I did buy a big snake plant and I ended up doing a lot of division. It was like in the summer to sell it again. But my dilemma is like, I don't really have a problem when people do that. It's when they like buy it, divide it, and then they sell it like all of a sudden. The thing is, you need to let it grow. So I'm literally gonna let these girlies grow. It's already been in this pot for, I think, it's going to be 2 months possibly, and I'm gonna sell it in spring because I want it to be a lot more bigger than it already is. Some of them are not looking so good, so I might just like keep it for myself, but some of them are, you know, going to be like in sound. Ooh, my arrow isn't going in. Okay, I also want my babies, and I'm not sure if I want to keep it in that spot. That's too much light. Over here it's pretty good, but just a little quick overview. My fellow Micans, a very fast grower plants. Like I'm saying, like it's really fast. The cuttings that I am doing, really cool. Oh my god, it's starting to unfurl. Like I want to see the new leaf. Okay. Okay, so here are the cuttings that I was talking about. This entire tray is Addisonias. I'm probably gonna sell each tray for each little pot for $5. So we got there's 2 Addisonia cuttings of nodes in each one of these pots. Some have 3, but all of them for sure have 2. And I'm gonna let them trail. So I'm probably gonna sell these in spring. I wanted to get a little bit more like longer. Obviously, they haven't even rooted yet. But there's an airplane, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick little closey uppy. And then over here we have some Cebu Blues. Node propagation that I just did yesterday. One of my favorite plants to propagate because they're so easy and they're really fast to root. I'm also gonna sell each one of these for $5. I'm just gonna let them trail. As soon as they start trailing, and then that's when I'm gonna start selling them. Here is some Mosaic Calathea, I believe, something like that. It's a really pretty plant, and I'm propagating that as well. Some prayer plants, the red prayer plants, mini monstera. Gonna let those root, and some micans. Now there is 1 node in each one, but I'm gonna let them trail before I sell it because like I only have 1, and whoa, she got inside. she's nice. Okay, but look at this begonia. Isn't it so pretty? I love it. This is like the only plant that my chickens didn't eat, which was pretty funny. This is my mother plant, the Cebu Blue. Oh, my chickens ended up devouring, like literally eating this completely, of my strawberry begonia. But do you guys see this? It is growing back. That is so cool, and I'm just so happy. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, see, this is an example that I was talking about. There's also the cuttings that I'm doing. It's about plants that I do not want to say. Yeah. This was a mini monstera that I propagated a while back by 1 node, and as you guys can see, it's starting to put out more growth, and it will be ready. I mean, considering that it's going to be winter, but it is pretty warm inside over here, and it is really humid, so it might grow a little bit faster. I might be ready within 1 month, or hopefully 1 month, but if not 2 months, and then I'm gonna sell it for $5. So trying to get my money back. Philo Birkins, really stunning. Just pushing out a new little leaf, and I'm just so happy for her. Really stunning, yes. I guess I'm gonna do a quick little overview to show y'all. So I am putting a little bit of plants on the top, only like my babies. So like my variegated lipstick plant at the very end, and my carnivorous plant. Yesterday I was cleaning out some like dead foliage on some of these plants because there was a lot, and this one needs obviously like a good cleanup as well. Got a lot of things to do, and I don't have a video for today. Today was supposed to be a plant shopping video, but I got really busy yesterday, so it's just going to be this video. Hopefully I can have a plant shopping video tomorrow, but even then I know you guys don't like when I post a lot of plant shopping videos because I know it can be really annoying. And this is my string of hearts. My mother plant, she is inside in my bedroom, safe and cozy, but this one's going to be outside. It's been an experiment, and oh my god, what? Okay, she is growing really fast. This is an entire propagations by the butterfly method. I've done so many videos on my channel at this point, like I can't even do more because it's just insane that I've done a lot on how to propagate with this string of hearts with that method. But as you guys can see, she is getting so long, and I might need to save her a good spot to place her in. And I just can't wait so I can propagate more and sell them. My goal is to always propagate like this and buy, I guess, 4-inch pots and sell it for $5 each. No matter what the plant is, always $5 or possibly $4. But, oh girl. Like, I mean, it is a goal of mine to have like my own nursery. And I do want it to be really affordable. But even then, I understand why people like, you know, can't sell really cheap because, you know, some plants are pretty hard to propagate or expensive or hard to find. This is my pitcher plant that was in my bedroom. She was doing really good. Oh, she is really full. I do have some carnivorous plants, and I do want to make my own little table for them because, like, you know, they're great to like eat all the bugs in the greenhouse. So gonna let her do her thing and get all those buggies. There's another carnivorous plant. I actually have 2 on this table. I got this girly, which I probably should place her somewhere else better. This table is not organized. I don't even know if I told y'all, but I had to move the entire greenhouse. My brother is an amazing help. He ended up helping me moving all the plants again because they were in that direction. I don't even know if I showed you guys the time lapse. If not, I'm gonna show you guys right now. But yes, the greenhouse was over there, and I was like, oh no, this is just getting way too much sun, and I don't know if they're gonna do so good. So I had to put them in this little spotty. There's another carnivorous plant. Where is she? I mean, this is one that I'm currently growing by seed that I bought at the big box stores. Let me show you. Isn't that so cute? It's a Venus flytrap. There was supposed to be 3 plants, but I only see 1 pulling through. Actually, there was another one on top, but I ended up putting moss at the very top. So let me see if I see it again. Okay, that's the Venus. Wait, what? Okay, no, shut the fuck up. Sorry, I just cussed. That's a Venus, and then there's one over here. And I think this is a Venus. I don't know what's the book. That's another Venus. So there's 2 Venus plants in this pot, or in this little container, which is not bad. You know, it's kind of good. It's kind of good. I swear, I thought we had more Venus flytraps. Okay. And then obviously my variegated ficus, which I'm so obsessed with. She's beautiful. I know these plants are gonna do amazing on here. Okay, that's something that I need to fix as of now. These calatheas not be getting 6+ hours of really bright, I mean, almost direct sunlight, because they're gonna, like, you know, fry. Especially my pinstripe calathea, which has been doing amazing. There was literally no growth at all, and look at her now, like, she's just doing great. Also, I am propagating some monsteras by nose only. Sorry, mama, I literally left you right there, but look at all these newbies coming through. They always look so bad, but hopefully with the humidity, the extra boost of humidity, she will perform really good inside. This cat got inside, so I need to take her out. Which I don't mind if she's inside, but if you know cats, they get very wild. I'm still looking for that carnivorous plant. It's like a red carnivorous plant that I had. That's weird. There's just some rubber trees that I had, and the reason why they don't look so good is because they were left outside in the cold for like a month and they were not being watered. Also this one, but hopefully with me watering them, it's taking care of them, they're gonna do really good. The coffee is ready to go back inside. But I can't stop talking about these plants. Look at this! Isn't this so cute? The flowers are coming through. Okay, but seriously though, where is that carnivorous plant? No la puedo buscar. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Okay, well this one should not be getting, I mean, I think mine's a little late. Yeah, what? I'm missing a carnivorous plant. I mean, I'm not missing it. I'm just gonna take a carnivorous plant from this room. But I think, oh my god, it's over here. I'm telling you, like, I need better shelves. Look at this one. She's not looking so good, but I said it's like really humid in here. I water my plants over here like every day, if not every other day. But recently I've been watering a lot recently, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna do great. And have my own carnivorous table in the middle. Oh my god, look at that small little one. That is so cute. Ooh, my hands are getting sticky because of that. Okay, great. So I'm gonna get my cup of coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like to have a more detailed greenhouse tour, just let me know. I would love to do one. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you like hopefully in the next one. Alrighty, bye.